and listening to good music. You damn sure ain't making no stinking face while you're in a band. I'm just saying. Sometimes it kind of gets a little good to you, you know?
Yes, girl.
You gotta close your eyes to connect with that thing. You know? Keep it right there, man. Don't move. I'd rather be with you.
I'd rather be with you.
Can y'all sing it? I'd rather be with you. Said I'd rather be with you. Just the tones and that bass. I'd rather be with you. Just a little bit. Come on. What? Said I'd rather be with you. I'd rather be with you. Yeah. Said I'd Thank you guys. Hey, how about a hand for this amazing band, y'all? Wanderlust on bass, Ariel Man on the guitar, Les Cleveland on the drums, Nick Blunt on keys. My name is Myra Washington. And